Hello everyone, we have to discuss about that interview question interview GA general study paper, general study की preparation question. Question number 24. The implementation of the India's new the industrial policies of one nation and the one standards and build the fosters innovations, entrepreneurship and the economic competitiveness, and while the addressing the concern of the workers and consumers and the environment and elucidates approach. And candidate can start the answer and with the giving basic ideas and about the recent and onos and policies and simply the highlighted the benefits of the policy and then how it's the addressing the problems of the workers and the consumers can be the elucidated. Introduction. The one nation one standard policy is based on the principle and that can the promotes and the efficiency, entrepreneurship and competitiveness and the innovations in the industrials and sectors, and by the stabilizing other common set of standard the policy and aims to the eliminated and the confusion, efficiency and the markets barriers that arise from the variation in the product and the standard and the specification across different states and body. The policy is the expected and to have the several benefits and for the Indian industries and including the improved and qualities of the product and the survives and the standardizations and can help to ensure consistencies, quality of the product and the services, and which can the enhances the customers and verifications and the improved market competitiveness and the increase efficiency and the productivity and the standardizations and can the lead to greater the efficiency and the productivity and by the reducing and the time and the cost and required and to the produce and the distribution project. Enhances innovation and the standardizations and can the encourage an innovation by the providing and either common frameworks and for the development of new the product and the services, and reduce the trade and the various standardization and can the reduce and trade barriers and by the promoting the acceptance of the Indian products and services in global market, and while the also and the addressing the concern and of the workers and consumer and the environment. Here are the some ways in which the policy can the achieve and thus the objectives and workers and the policy and can address the concern. आजा workers. The policy can the address and concern of the workers and by the promoting the adoptions and of the standards and the safety and health and the environmental regulations, the uniform standard and consumer the union standard and can the ensure the consistency and the equalities and the safety of the product and the services. बहुत ही तेज भाई भगवान कसम जाना services, and which can the benefits and the consumers and this can the ensures customers confidence and lead and to the greater demand and for the Indian product and the services and both the domestic and the internationally. Environment. The policy and can the address and the concern about the impact of the industrialization on the environment by the promotings and the adoptions and of the industry. Hey Bhagwan. Adoption of the standards and the environmentals and the regulations and the uniforms and the standard can help to the अब ना लग जाए ensure that all the industries and follow the same and the environments and regulations and leadings to other more and the sustainable and the environment friendly industrial factors. And conclusion. Overall, the one nation and the one standard policy has the potential to the transforms the Indians and the industrial sectors, and however the successful implementations of the policies and will require and the coordination and the collaborations and between the different stakeholders and including the government and the industries and the associations and the standardizations bodies. And question number 25. What are the ethnicals and legal and the technological जहाँ से जाओ पहले जहाँ से जाओ What are the ethicals and legals and the technological implications of the growing dangers of the deep fakes, and the how can the societies and the individuals and mitigates the association risk and the ensure the authenticities and the credibilities and of the information in the digital age? Discuss. In this question, the candidate need to the write about on what are the ethicals, legal and the technological implications of the deep and the fakes, and how it is built the impact and the individuals and the society. And in the second parts, and write about on what are the possible mitigation and strategies to tackle this the problems. And introduction. And deep fakes are the synthetics and medias, and usually the videos and that use the advanced and all the algorithm, and that the manipulated and or the swap the face and the voice of the individuals in the medias. And the impact of the deep fakes and on the society is the multifaceted and the complex spread of the misinformations and the propagandas, and have the profound and impact on the society and the ways and we the interacted and with the digital medias in the futures. And body ethical implications of the deep fakes. And deep fakes and have raised many the ethical concerns, and since there's the inceptions, and here are the some of the most important ones. And misinformation and the propagandas and the deep fakes and can be the used to create the convincing and but the flash and videos of pupils, and which can be the used to separate the misinformation and the propagandas, and this can and the have serious and the consequences and for both the individuals and society as a whole. Invasions and of the privacy and the deep fakes and can be the used to create the intimates and or the embracings and the videos of pupils and without their the consent, violating and there's the privacy and the accusing sufficiency harms and manipulations and of the politicals and the discourse. And deep fakes can be the used to the manipulated public opinions and politicals discourse, and by the creating flash videos of the politicians and the others and public figures, and this can the undermines and trust in the political system and have the serious consequences for the democracy and damage to the reputations. And the deep fakes can be used to damage the reputation of the individuals or the organization by the creating false videos and that portrayed and them in other negative light. Legal and the regulatory challenges, and there is currently no the clear and the legal or the regulatory frameworks to address the issues of the deep fakes. And many the countries are still and the grappling and with how to the respond and to this the emerging and the technology. Overall deep fakes and pose other serious threat to trust and the accuracies in the digital age, and there is other pressing and need for more the research and the development to address the ethicals and the societals and the implications of this the technological implications of deep fakes. The technological implication of deep fakes and are far the reachings and the includes the followings and advancement in the artificial intelligence and machine learning and deep fakes and really on the advanced and artificial intelligence and machine learning the algorithm and to create the realistic and synthetic videos, and this has led to the significant advancement in thus the field and has the opened up new the possibilities and for their use in the other the areas and such as the computer visions and the robotics, and changes in the medias and production and consumptions. Deep fakes and have the potential to the change the ways and medias is product and the consumes, and for example they could be the used to create the more realistic and spatial and the effects and in the movies and or to the produce more convincing news and broadcasting. Challenges to the authenticity and of the digital medias. Deep fakes and have made it more the difficult to the determine the authenticities of the digital medias and leading to the concern about the spread of the flash informations and propagandas and increase the demand for the deep fakes and detections and the technologies in response to the rise of the deep fakes. And there has been the growing and demand for the technologies and that can the detect and the mitigates and their the impact, and such as the deep fake and detections algorithm and video verification tools. Ethicals and the considerations and the use of the deflects and raises important ethicals and questions about the impact of the artificial intelligence and machine learning on the society, and the responsibilities of the technology companies and the individuals and their the use. Overall, the technological implications of the deflects are the significant and are the likely to have a the profound impact on the society and the way we the interact and with the digital medias in the futures, and how can the individuals and the society and mitigate risk and the associated with the feed facts deep facts facts and the ensures and credibilities in the digital age. The risk associated and with the deep facts and are the significant, and it is the important for the individuals and the society to take the step and to the mitigate in them and the ensures credibilities in the digital age. Here are the some steps and that can be the taken and awareness and the educations. Raising awareness about the dangers and of the deflects and the educating pupils and about the how to the sports and them is the crucial and for the mitigating and their the impact. This can be the done and through the public and composition media literacy and programs and others the educational initiatives and technological solution. The development of the feedback and the detection and algorithm and the video verification and tools can help to the mitigate and the impact of the deep facts, and by the making it the easier and to the identified and the remove flash videos and from the circulations, and legals and the regulatories and measures. Government and the internationals and the organization can play other role in the mitigating the risk and the associated with the deflects, and by the creating law and the regulation and that the address the issues and hold the individuals and the organization accountable for theirs the use. Media literacy, encouraging criticals and the thinking and media literacy and among the individuals and can help to the mitigates the impact of the deep fake, and by the empowering the pupils to the evaluates and the authenticities of the digital medias for the themselves and industry standard. The tech industries and can help to the mitigate the risk associated with the defects by the stabilizing and standard and the best practices and for their the use and the promoting transparency and the accountability in their the production and the distributions. Overall, it is the important and for the individuals and societies and to take other multi-phases approach to the mitigating the risk and the associated with the facts with the deep facts and the ensuring the credibilities in the digital age, and this will the required are the combination of the technological solution, legal and the regulatories and measures and media's literacy and the industry standard. Conclusion: defects and problems will require a the multidisciplinary approach and that the involve collaborations and between will between technology expert and legal and the policy medias and professionals and the publics, and by the working together and we can the mitigates and the risk and associated with the deep facts and the ensures the credibilities of the digital medias in the digital age. Question number 26: what are the sources and the impacted of the black carbon and the aerosols on airs, the quality and human health and the climates, and what and measures can be the taken to reduce the emissions of the black carbon and aerosols and the mitigates and their the navigation effect discuss. Approach: candidate can start the answer and with the basic ideas of the black carbons and then the discussion about it, the sources and impact also the suggested some the measures to tackle its introduction. Black carbon is other component. Black carbons is other component of the shoots and emitted and by the incompleted and combustions of the fossil fuels and biofuels and the biomass chemicals. It is either components and of the fine and the particulated matters and PM 2.5 and the it is kind of the aerosols and that is the emitted and from the gas and the diesel engines and coal and the fires power plant and the other sources and that the burn fossil fuel bodies. Sources of black carbon. Black carbon is produced in both the naturally and the authentic anthropogenically and the out of the human activities and by the incomplete and the combustion of the fossil fuel, biomass, etc. The major sources are the emission and from the diesels, engines and cookies and stove and wood, the warmings and the forest fires. The major sources are emission from the diesel engines and cooking stoves and wood. Wood burning and the forest and fire and the household and the cooking and the heating account for the 58% of the global's black carbon emissions. The developing world and the contributes and to the almost and 88% of the black carbon emission is as a result of the opens and biomass and warming and the residentials and solid fuel combustions, and some of the key impacts and are air the quality black carbon and particles and are other measures and component of other particulates and matters in the atmosphere which can have the adverse and affected on air's the qualities and inhaling, and thus the particles and can the causes and the respiratory and problems, cardiovasculars and the diseases and other the health issues and human health. Black carbon particles and can the penetrated and the deeply into the lungs and leading to the inflammations and the irritations, and this can the excavates and prey the exciting response respiratories and conditions such as the asthmas and the bronchitis, and exposures and to black carbons is also associated and with and the increased and risk of the heart and diseases and the strokes. Climate change and black carbon aerosols and absorb the sunlight and the heat up the atmospheres and the contributing and to the global warming, and they also the work snow and the ice and cusings and it to the melt and fastest, which can lead to the sea levels and rise and the other impact of the climate changes and regional air quality and climate impact. The impact of the black carbons and the aerosols is not the uniforms and the varies regionally and in the South Asia, and for example black carbons and contributed the significantly and to the air pollutions and has been the linkage and to the change in the monsoons and system and with impact on the regional climate. Measures can be taken to the reduce the emission of black carbon. Promote the use of the cleaners and energy sources and encouraging the adoption of the clean energy sources unlike the solars and the wind powers, and can the reduce the amount of the black carbon emitted and by the warming fossil fuels and improve the transportation and system, encouraging the use of the electrical vehicles and the investing in the public transportation system can help the reduce and the emissions from the transportations, and which is other measures and sources of the black carbon reduce the opens warming of the solid fuels and discouraging and open warmings of the solid fuels and such as the wood and charcoal and the agricultural waste can the reduce the emission of black carbon implements and the emissions, and control the technologies and installing the filters and other the emission control the technologies on the industrials and facilitated and the vehicles can the reduce the amounts of black carbon and release into the atmosphere and support the research and the development investings and in the research and developing of the new technologies and the prescribes practice and to the reduce and black carbon emission and can help the identified and new the ways to the mitigate and it's the affected and raise the public awareness and educating the publics and on the negative impact of the black carbon emissions and promoting more the sustainable and lifestyle choice can help the reduce and the emission and mitigates their effect. Conclusion overall the reducing the black carbon emission required and a the multi-phases approach that the involve a the combustions involve a the combination of policy measures and technological advanced and behavior changes. Question number 27. How can the startup and play the BIPO tells and role in the shapings and the futures of the space and sectors in the India's, and what measures and can be taken to the supports and enable the growth of the startup and in this the sectors, and while the insurance and there's the alignment and with the national and priorities and the strategic interested, explain. Approach candidate can start the answer and with the giving basic ideas and about the recent increase in the space sector and startup and the encouragement and by the government and highlights and start up a role in the sector and development, and also the suggested some the measures to be taken by the government for long term interest. Introduction. Startup. Startups are playing and the increasingly an important role in the shaping the futures of the space and sector in India, and with the government and focus on the promoting and private sector participations in space activities, and startup and have the emerges as the key players and in the development of the innovatives and technologies and services related and to the space explorations and satellites manufacturing and the space based application body. Some of the ways in which the startup are the shaping and the future of the space sectors in India are and the divining the innovation startups and are the bringings new ideas and the technologies to be the space sector, and which are the helping to push the boundaries of the what is possible in the space explorations and space based services and lowering the cost, and startup are the hours to the operated and with the relatability and low the overhead and cost the which and the allowing them to the developed and test and new the technologies and services at the lower cost and the compared and to the traditional players and in the space sectors and the building capacities, and startup and are the helping and to the world humans capacities and developed specialized and skills in the space sectors, and which will be the criticals and for the futures and growth and the development of the industries, and fostering collaboration and startup are the collaborating and with the stabilized and players in the space sectors as well as the others, and the startup and to the developed new the product and the services, and that can the benefits and the entire industry. Some of the measures and for the arrangement and with the national priorities and strategics and interested of India include providing access to the funding. The government and the others organization can the provide and funding and the resources to the supports and the growth and the development of the startup in the space sector. This can the include the ventures and capitals grants and the others and the forms of the financials and supports, and offering the regulatories and supports and the government and can the established and the supportings and policies and the regulations and that the enables and the growth of startup in the space sectors, and while and the ensuring and that they align and with the nationals and the priorities and the strategics and interested of India, increasing the collaborations and the startup and can the benefits and from the workings and with the established players in the space sectors, and as well as the others and startup and the government and can play other role in the fostering collaborations between thus different and the entails, and which can lead to the development of new product and the services. Promoting innovation. The government can the support innovation in the space sector and by the providing the access to develop to resources and the developed facilities and the promoting the development of new technologies and production, and focusing on the skill development, and the government can support skill development in the space sectors, and by the investing in education and training and programs, and that are the later tailored and to the need of the startup in the industries, and encouraging the entrepreneurships. The government can the support and entrepreneurships in the space sectors and by the providing mentorings and the networkings and opportunities and for the startup, and by the stabilizing programs, and there the encourages and entrepreneurships conclusion. Thus the measures and can help to the support and the enable the growth of the startup and in the space sector in India, while ensuring that the there the activities and aligns with the national priorities and the strategic interested by providing the necessary support resources and regulatory environments. The government can help to build other thriving and the innovative space industries in India. Question number 28. How will indies the changing energies and mix with the increasing the share of the renewable impact the country's economic growth and the competitiveness, and what measures can be the taken to address challenges poses why it's the transitions discuss approach. A simple straight and forwards and question and where the candidates and need to the write about and how the indies in changing the energies and mixed with the shares of the renewable impact and the country's economic growth and the competitiveness, and the measures can be the taken to address these challenges. Introduction. India changing the energies and mix and with and the increasing shares of the renewables is expected and to have a the positive impact on the country's economic growth and the competitiveness in the several ways, and it is the posed and to the continued in the future and driven by other combination of factors and including the government policies and market dynamics and the technologies and logical advancement bodies. India the changing energies and mixed with and the increasing the share of the renewable is expected to have other positive impact on the country economic growth and the competitiveness in the several ways. Cost savings and the shift and the towards and renewable is expected, and to the result is the significant and cost saving as the sources and become the more competitiveness and with the traditional sources of energy reduced and the dependence on the impact, and as India's the becomes and more the self sufficient in the generating and it's the avance and the energy, it is the likely to reduce and it is the dependence on the impact import, and which will be the improve it is the balance of the payment and improve the energies and the security. The diversification of energies of India's and energies and mixed will the enhances it is the energy and security, reducing the countries and vulnerabilities to support supply disruptions and the price and the fluctuations. Job creation. The expansions of the renewables energy sector is likely to the create new the job opportunities, particularly in rural area. Improve public health, and the shift towards the cleaners and the sources of energy is expected to have the positive health impact, reducing air pollution and the improving overall health, public health. Reduced the greenhouses and gas emissions. The increased and use of the renewable energy will help, and India meets and it is the commitment and under the Paris agreement climate agreement and contributing to global the effort and to reduce the greenhouse gas emission and increase the access and to the energy. The expansions and of the renewables energy sector is expressed to improve the access to energy, particularly in rural areas and where access is limited. Technological advancement and the growth of the renewables energy and sector is expected to the drives and the technological advancement, providing the opportunity for the innovations and development of the new technologies and improve the competitiveness and the adoptions of the clearness and the more and efficiency source for of the energy is likely and to the improve and India the competitiveness and particularly in the manufacturing sectors, enhances the reputation and the shift and towards the renewal is likely to the enhances India reputations as other responsible and the forward thinking and country. Further the improving and it is the economic growth and the competitiveness and measures and can be the taken to and the address and challenges the post and by the energy mix the transitions and the transitions and to other new and the energy and mix the poses several challenges that need to be the addressed and to ensure other smooth and the successful transitions, and here are 10 the measures that can be the taken to address thus the challenges and development of other clear policy and frameworks. A clear policy frameworks and with well the defined and goal and the timelines can help the provides and the directions and the guidance to the stakeholder and involved in the transmission and involvement. Investment in the research and development, and the research and development activities can help the identified new technology and the solution that can the aid the transitions and the including the energy storage and the guide guide Facilitation of the international cooperation. International cooperation can help the address and the common challenges and the shares knowledge and the best practices, facilitating the transitions globally and the encouragement and of the public-private partnerships. And public-private partnerships can help the shares the cost and the risk of the transmission and facilitate the development of the new technologies and solution. Promotion of the energy efficiency. Energy efficiency measures such as the building and retrofits and the efficiency appliances and can help the reduce and overall the energy and demand the making the transitions and easier and more the cost and the effective and implementation of other just and the transitions and the measures and should be the taken to the ensure and that the transition is the socially and the just including the providing and the support and for the workers in the industrial and that may be affected by the transitions and the insurance and that the vulnerable populations are the not left behind. Conclusion. In summary, the India's and the energies and transitions to the renewable is the critical for the addressing climate changes, improving energy and security and promoting the economic growth, improving and public health, promoting rural development and driving the technological advancement and improving its the international reputations and the increasing access to the energy or for all. Thank you guys. This session will be closed.